Hi, my name is Nimetullah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to create a complete program to the continuation of the other series that we had before. Okay, how to learn Python fast with ChatGPT in 2024. So in this video, I will be showing you how to create a complete program on converting videos to audio. So this is going to be a very good program, okay? So what we are going to do through this course or through this video is that I have a complete course about ethical hacking. It is about 24 hours of video. So the thing I'm going to do is to convert all these videos to audio, okay? Why do I need these audios? Because I want to generate subtitle, okay? So for being this program so beneficial and very good program and work fast, it is better to cover this too, okay? First, convert all videos to audio and decrease size of the video, okay? If it is about 25 megabyte, we're going to change it to 1 megabyte. And then we're going to use it to generate subtitle. So while generating subtitle, it is going to be very fast and very beneficial for us, okay? So we can do that. And if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also like the video and also share it with your friend. So through this program, I will be showing you how to create this program step by step, okay? And first, I will show you how to create or how to build a very simple program on converting a video to audio. And then I'm going to show you step by step how to improve this, how to add more functionality to this program, okay? And at the end of this video, we are going to be able to convert a course, a complete course that is about 24 hours of video. We're going to convert it to audio just in 5 or 3 minutes, okay? So let's go and dive into this video. Okay, first I'm going to go to ChatGPT and ask, hi, can you help me in converting my videos to audio? Okay, I'm going to just ask the ChatGPT, and the ChatGPT is going to give me an answer, okay? So as you see here, we need to use MoviePy, okay? First you need to install the MoviePy library and then you can use it, okay? So we do have the library here, okay? The code here. I'm going to just copy the code from here, okay? And then I will paste it here in my IDE, VS Code IDE. As you see here, we need two things, okay? One of them is the video pad and the other one is the audio pad. Video pad is the video clip, okay? And the audio pad is the part that you want to save your audio to. So I will add the video, that 1.mp4, that is my video, and I want to save the audio to 1.mp3 here, okay? That is kind of cool. Now let's install the MoviePy, pip install MoviePy, and after that I'm going to run the program. Python convert video to audio, hit enter. We need to wait for a moment and it will start converting my video to audio. Okay, so it is started, okay? And this is the simplest program that we ask ChatGPT to build for us. And now, if I compare the size of video and audio, it's gonna be a bit different, okay? So you see the audio is 5 megabyte, 4.8 megabyte, and the video, it was 21 megabyte, okay? Now, I am going to go and ask ChatGPT to improve this program, okay? To even compress this audio, okay? I need a very low size of the audio. So I'm going to ask the ChatGPT to, can you change the program to compress the audio even more? It is going to change the program, and this time it's going to convert video to audio, and it's going to compress that. Okay, so, and as you see right now, we are using 64 bitrate, and I'm going to change the video 1.mp4, and the audio this time is going to be 2.mp4. okay, because before we had one, and I'm going to compare these two audio together, okay, and the size of this both audio that we have now. So I will change this to 2.mp3, and also the bitrate is going to be 64 right now. I'm going to start running this, and after running the converting is completed, we will be able to see the result. Now you see that it's got even more even less size of the audio. You see this time is 2.4. okay, before it was 5 megabyte, so it is half of the size now. If I just change the bitrate from 64K to 32K, this time it's going to give me 1 MB, I think. Let's go and do this. I'm going to save the program. This time this one going to be 3.mp3, and let's convert video to audio, and this time it is going to be almost 1 megabyte, I think. Let's move back to the audio. Okay, 3, it is 1.2. That is very good program. Okay, so we just created our basic program, okay, that work fine. It gives me very good result. Okay, and also as you see right now, I have the course that is 30 chapter. So this is going to be very hard for me. If I go and select each of the video, it's about 200 video. Okay, if I select each of them to convert video to audio, it's going to be very time consuming. It's going to take me a lot of time. So I'm going to change the program in a way that it must read the videos from within the folder. Okay, so I just give the address for each of the folder, and then it must be able to read the content from the folder. Okay, and inside each folder, as you see, it is almost 15 video. That is going to be very time consuming. So I'm going to change the program. Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT and try to ask this to change this for me, okay, to improve this program for me. Okay, let's ask, please improve the code for me. So the whole videos from the file, I just need to provide the name of the videos and folder, and then the script must be able to read it from the folder. So here it is, the code. I'm going to just copy this and paste it here. So within here we have all this that looks nice. Okay, and it is 32K, and also we're using OS library this time, and the audios could be in videos, could be into MP4 or AVI or even MKV. And also, as you see, we have a function here to compress the video, and the other function that can convert all video in a folder to all videos to audio. Okay, and it is using 32K bitrate. So we need a folder path, we need an output folder, and audio codec. It is MP3 and the bitrate. So let's go and provide the folder path, output folder, these two. Okay, so I will add the input folder to one of the section. It is chapter 12. Okay, and let's fix this path. We need to change the slashes, and also the output folder is going to be the same place. Fix the slashes. And the audio codec is going to be MP3, and also the bitrate is 32K. That is nice. And now let's run the program and see if is it going to read the content from chapter 12 and going to convert all the videos to audio or not. So as you see, it started and the chapter 12 is started, and the first video is going to be converted to audio. And after the first video, let's see, is it going to do the next video for me or not? If so, that is nice. But still, it's not very useful. There is another option that we can improve this even more. How? I can put a folder in a text file, okay? And the program must be able to read all those folders from that text file and then give me the output as audio. So that would be very nice. Right now you see that it is converting all videos to audio within this chapter 12 post-exploitation. So that is nice, but still I need to give each of these 30 folder path to this program. That is not good. So let's go back to ChatGPT and ask it to even add more functionality to this program. So I'm going to ask, please improve this script so it read the folders path from a file, because I have a lot of folders, and then provide the script, okay? And I'm going to run it. So here you see this time it is going to provide me with another script, and I'm going to just copy that and then paste the whole here, okay? And this time you see it is a bit different this time. We need to provide a folder path.txt, okay? So, and also we need to add the output folder. Right now the output folder is chapter 12. That means this all audio is going to be stored in chapter 12 post exploitation. And also I need to create a folder path.txt file, and then I need to add all the path for each of this folder into that file, and then the program must be able to read it from there, okay? So I will create this by the name of folder paths.txt, and within this I need to provide all the paths. Okay, right now I will just add this 3. It is enough for testing, so that is nice of it. I will save it and I will start running the program. So let's run it. Python, okay, convert videos to audio and run it. So that is nice of it, okay? So now it is doing the job that we give to this program. Now you have a complete program, okay? The first program that we wanted is completed now, and the job is done, okay? So now you have a complete program that convert hundreds of videos to audio, okay? Just in 10 minutes or 5 minutes or less or more. So that is very cool. So what is the next program that we're going to build? Now that we have all these audios, okay, it is time to create a program to generate subtitle for all this audio, okay? Again, we're going to create the same program. That program must be able to read the whole audios within this folders actually, and then generate subtitle for each of them. So I have 24 hours of video. I'm going to generate in 10 minutes, generate all the subtitle in English language. So that is going to be very cool program. So here we'll learn how to use ChatGPT to first create a program, and also how to improve and add more functionality to the program that you just created. So if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, and also share this with your friend.